Are you looking for how to clean your oil diffuser? You might have wondered how to clean essential oil residue without ruining your diffuser, or how often to clean an oil diffuser. By the end of this video, I'll answer these questions, as well as how to clean an oil diffuser with vinegar and without vinegar, and how to clean ultrasonic diffusers. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson, essential oil educator and certified health coach. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Stick around to the end. I have a really great gift that you're not going to want to miss, especially if you love diffusing essential oils. How often should you clean your essential oil diffuser? Depending on how much you use it, if you're using it every day or every other day, then every week or two, you'll want to clean it. And I'll show my top ways to quick clean your diffuser, and then I'll also show you my how to deep clean your oil diffuser. You do this monthly or every other month, depending on how often you use it, to keep it working at an optimum level. How do you clean an essential oil diffuser? How to clean essential oil diffuser in 4 quick steps. This is how to clean an oil diffuser without vinegar. So what you'll need is an all-natural detergent. You'll need some water and rubbing alcohol. You'll also need a cloth and a cotton swab. And you'll want to unplug the diffuser. You never want to clean an oil diffuser while it's still turned on. Second, you'll want to empty and clean the reservoir. Pour out any water, oil mixture that remains in the diffuser reservoir. Water that is left standing for a period of time can actually develop mold and mildew spores if you're not using 100% pure oils, basically cheap oils. So this is how to clean oil diffuser mold also. So you're going to wet your cloth with just plain water, and then you're going to dot with some of your dishwashing detergent. You'll use this cloth to wipe out the reservoir. You'll rinse out and clean the reservoir then with plain water, and then you'll just go ahead and dry it completely. Third, you'll clean the ultrasonic plate or chip. And how you do this with an ultrasonic diffuser is different than other diffusers. The ultrasonic plate on the chip breaks down oils into base molecules and then uses water as a transference mechanism to disperse them into the air. What looks like steam is caused by the ultrasonic vibrations, causing the separation of oil molecules and creating an ultrafine mist. To work properly, the ultrasonic chip must be cleaned regularly. Simply dip the cotton swab into your rubbing alcohol, and then you're just going to wipe the chip to remove any excess oil buildup. And then number 4, you're just going to reassemble the diffuser, and after reassembling the diffuser, it is ready to refill and use again. Go ahead and comment below. I'd love to know in the comments how often you clean your diffuser. And after I show you how to deep clean your oil diffuser, I'll share with you my essential oils guidebook that you can download with my top uses for all my favorite essential oils and my top essential oil diffuser recipes and blends. So how do you deep clean your essential oil diffuser? And this is also how to clean an oil diffuser with vinegar. So what you're going to need is water, distilled vinegar, I don't have a smaller bottle, rubbing alcohol, your cloth, and your cotton swab. You're going to empty any standing water before doing a deep cleaning of your diffuser. You'll also want to unplug it, empty that water and any essential oils, and you're never going to submerge any part of the diffuser in water or get excess moisture into any of the controls. Next, you will fill the diffuser with cleaning solution. So you'll fill the diffuser with plain water, approximately halfway full, and then about 10 drops of your distilled white vinegar to help clean and disinfect the tank. Don't use any other type of vinegar or cleaner in the tank. Third, you're going to run the diffuser. You plug it in and allow it to run for 10 to 15 minutes. This will give the vinegar and water solution time to cut through any buildup of oils in the tank. And then you're going to unplug it and empty the reservoir again of the vinegar and water solution. Use a soft cloth just to go ahead and wipe it down and dry the inside and the outside. And then finally, you're going to clean that ultrasonic chip again. Give the ultrasonic chip or plate a wipe down with the cotton swab dipped into the alcohol to ensure that it is clean and there's no oil residue left. And then if you need to wipe down the outside, clean it off, dust it off a little bit, you can go ahead and do that. Reassemble the diffuser and then it's ready for use. Now, if your diffuser is not working properly, a simple cleaning may solve the problem. My son and his wife just recently did this with one of their diffusers that was making noise and sputtering, and after a deep cleaning, it was back to brand new. Those are my best tips for how to clean an oil diffuser and keep it working properly for a long time. If I missed something or you have a question, please let me know in the comments. As promised, here's how you can get my free essential oils guidebook with my top uses for all of my favorite essential oils, plus diffuser recipes for immune support, relaxation, sleep, mood, and even diffuser recipes for all the seasons. You'll find the link down in the description below, and if you want to learn how to use essential oils more effectively and not just diffusing them, join me in my weekly live Essential Oils 101 class. The link is in the description. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Coming up next, watch my top 10 diffuser recipes that I share in less than 90 seconds.